Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Leopard on Dolphin image. But before we get into the review, I get hundreds of requests from you guys to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, guys, the Leopard on the Dolphin. And I'm just going to say right off the bat that this image is AI generated. So this is what is scary right now, since AI is getting real, more and more real, and especially older people will believe what they see, since it does look very legit. If you're not trained to see, or you're not used to seeing AI images, you will believe that this is real. As you can see, just from looking at the dolphin right here, is very smooth and very perfect. That is not what a real dolphin will look like in an image. And as you can see, this website, snopes.com, has marked this image as fake. So in early July 2025, video circulated online claiming to authentically show a dolphin saving a snow leopard lost at sea. So please do not believe what you see online, guys. It is very scary right now. So if you see somebody claiming or an image to be very wild or very unrealistic, I would advise you to think about if it's AI generated or not. I would advise you to do some more research about it, and you can do that by clicking the link below, which is my guide to showing you if it's legit or not. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.